Have you ever felt overwhelmed in a pressure situation, like the world is spinning too fast and you're struggling to keep up? Well, you're not alone. Every day, countless individuals face high-stress situations, whether at work, home, or in social settings. But there is a way out, a way to regain control, and it's simpler than you might think. The first step is to recognize the signs of stress. This could be a racing heartbeat, a dry mouth, shaky hands, or a sudden rush of adrenaline. These are your body's natural responses to a perceived threat, and it's crucial to acknowledge them. Ignoring stress doesn't make it disappear. Instead, it's about accepting these feelings as valid and understanding that they're temporary. Next, try to slow down your breathing. In stressful situations, our breathing can become shallow and rapid, which can further increase feelings of anxiety. By consciously slowing down your breathing, you signal your body that it's time to relax. A simple technique is to inhale deeply through your nose, hold your breath for a few seconds, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this process until you start to feel calmer. Another important step is to ground yourself in the present moment. Often, stress can make us lose touch with the here and now. A simple grounding technique is to focus on your 5 senses. What can you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? By focusing on these sensory experiences, you can bring your mind back to the present and away from stressful thoughts. Finally, it's crucial to practice self-compassion. Remember, it's perfectly okay to feel stressed. Don't beat yourself up for experiencing stress or not handling it perfectly. Instead, treat yourself with kindness and understanding, just as you would a loved one who's going through a tough time. To recap, when faced with a stressful situation, recognize your stress signals, slow down your breathing, ground yourself in the present, and practice self-compassion. These steps are not a magic cure, but they can provide a helpful framework to manage stress and stay calm under pressure. Remember, stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. With these steps, you hold the power to navigate stressful situations with grace and poise. So the next time you find yourself in a high-pressure situation, take a deep breath, ground yourself, and remember to be kind to yourself. You've got this.